it will be wonderful once we are all here together, because this new building is designed to be able to deliver instruction and a service to kids that we just didn't have in the old building. My name is Kelly Clapp, and I'm the principal of Juanita High School and Future School. We are afforded the opportunity to be able to offer more classes because we just have more space. We can offer more CTE classes, more arts classes.
The school is a wonderful design. It has a very intentional design. There are 7 interdisciplinary learning suites that consist of classrooms, labs, science rooms, studios, and shared instructional areas.
Our library on the 2nd floor is amazing. It's state-of-the-art. Lots of teaching spaces and places for kids to be, places for kids to relax. There's comfortable seating. It's a place where kids can sit. They can plug in their chargers. There's tables. We play games at lunch. And there are 2 separate teaching spaces up in the library as well, where you could have 2 full classrooms in there at the same time that are on opposite ends.
The Commons is centrally located. The open staircase up to the library really serves multiple purposes and gathering purposes for kids during lunch. We repurposed all the glulam beams from the building and built those stairs and seating areas in the staircase, so that's a really neat feature.
The students are going to see the brand new courtyard, because that is, this wasn't built at all when they came here. And also this whole part there, from that corner all the way here, the sky bridge that's above us, that's all new.
We chose an alternative delivery process, which is called GCCM, stands for General Contractor Construction Manager. This allowed us to bring the contractor in early during the design phase, and they helped us determine the constructability of the design along with how to best phase the project to optimize the not only schedule but cost. And we were able to open the building 1 year early. Actually, the first phase of the building opened in the fall of 2019, which was 2 years early. And then phase 2 was completed this fall of 2020.
Having a school like this gives us more space to do things and engage with the community in a way that we were just unable to do before. Our Commons was very difficult to accommodate video or have screens in there, things like that. We have all of those things now.
The theater is really designed as a learning space first and a performance space second. And it's adjacent to the music rooms and choir rooms, and so those rooms also serve as backup spaces and warm-up spaces for theatrical productions.
The theater will be open to the community, and once we're open for school, then they will be able to rent it out, follow our building use agreements, and it will be a wonderful public place.
The Rebuild and Enlarge Juanita High School project was built for 1,800 students, which is an increase of about 504. The new building is really an adaptive learning tool for the 21st century learner.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of the voters in the Lake Washington School District community for the gift of this beautiful building. It will be used well and used by all of us as a community. Thank you.